This is our 3-foot Euro banner. This is how the package comes. The banner comes fabric. All the little pieces are individually wrapped and numbered so that it's easy to put them together. Comes in the nice carrying case. All put together. This is the cover. Super nice cover, easy to wash, durable, holds up very well. And it has, you can have 2 different imprints. So they can be 2 different for the same price. This is 3 feet wide, 78 inches tall. This one's 2 feet wide. You can see it's very vibrant. These are all pictures that we took with a cell phone camera. We rock your first impression.
We love making your job easier.